math for today. Today for math, we are going to focus on facts, okay? Just on facts. So this lesson worksheet 80-2A and B, you can go ahead and just send that back to school. We are not going to do that today. So today we have a couple different fact assessments. First, we have our subtracting 3's and 2's. So that's what we've been working on all week. Remember, something important that I was teaching you if you were with me is that you start at your big number, and then however many you need to go backwards, put that many fingers out, and then count backwards. So if you're subtracting by 2's, then you put out your 2 fingers. So if I have 6 minus 3, I'm going to start with 6, and I need to get rid of 3 more. 5, 4, 3. So 6 minus 3 is 3. If I'm doing 8 minus 2, I start with 8, and I have to go backwards 2. 8, 7, 6. So 8 minus 2 would be 6. If that is a helpful tool for you, then you go ahead and you use that helpful tool. Okay? So you're going to go ahead and complete your fact assessment. Then you have a bigger fact assessment, and this is going to be your adding facts. I know it looks like a lot, but I know that you can handle it. I'm hoping that you can make sure that you do this on your own. I really want to see where you're at with your adding facts. So go ahead and for this one, set a timer. I want you to set a timer for 5 minutes. Set the kitchen, the timer that's on the microwave. That'd be a good one. Or if you have another timer that you can set out, 5-minute timer. Set a 5-minute timer and see how many of these facts you can complete in 5 minutes. Start at row 1. When you finish all of those, go to row 2, then go to row 3, and then keep on moving through. Okay? So you can do both of those on your own. Then today we are actually looking at subtracting 4's. Hopefully you have a subtracting 4 wrap-up in your packet from this week. And what you're going to do with your sheet, as you know, is fold it because we want to work with these facts first. If it's helpful for you to make yourself a number line, you won't need one bigger than 15. You could make a number line to help you count backwards. You can also just use the back of your red math folder, okay? So 4 minus 4. Anytime you have a number minus itself, your answer is always 0. Then when you have 5 minus 4, remember we talked yesterday about how 5 and 4 are right next to each other on the number line? When you have the numbers that are right next to each other on the number line, your answer is always going to be 1. Always. So 5 minus 4 is going to be 1. And then you'll go ahead and you'll keep on working down. Remember what I said. You can use your fingers to help you to see how many you need to get rid of. Use your number line. Use your 100 numbers chart. When you have done this here, then you're going to, remember, flip it and do B because this is your wrap-up part. Okay, draw the lines for the wrap-up. When you're done doing the lines for the wrap-up, then you're going to go ahead and you're going to practice with your wrap-up. Do the minus 4 wrap-up once, and then complete the facts in column A. Put an X when you've done it. Then go to column B. Do the wrap-up, and then do the facts. Put an X when you've done it. Do the third one. Do the wrap-up, and then do the facts one more time. Okay? These are the new facts that we are going to focus on over the next 5 days. Okay? When you have done this work, then you are going to be done with your learning for today. If you have not watched the the chapel video, please make sure that you watch that today. There's no art because we've done art all week. However, there should be a sheet for you to color today as well. Okay? When you are done with all of that, you are done for today. Make sure everything gets put back together. And if you are Group B and virtual, remember that your day to pick up is Sunday from 9 until noon. Have a great day, first grade.